Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome back to Melda 242. I am Melda, and today I'm making sweet and sour steaks. If you want to see how I achieve this, then let's do it. The ingredients are listed for you on the left. Steaks, onion. I have 3 colors of bell pepper. Wow. Celery and ginger. I'm adding ginger today. Sweet and sour steaks. Make it yourself. You know what you're putting in it. You know what it is. This is steaks, real steaks. Make it yourself. Okay. To that I'm adding 2 tablespoons of butter and 1 tablespoon of oil. And of course, the temperature is medium. It's on medium. The steaks, see, now they're cut up into strips. No seasoning, nothing is added. Okay, they're still somewhat frozen and they were easier to cut up that, just like that. So, my grandchildren are here, so I have to make it stretch. And that's going to be served over white rice. Oh my word. This is the real McCoy today. And I know what I'm putting into it. Make your own sweet and sour steaks. Now, this recipe can also go with pork chops or even chicken breasts or even ribs. I'm just jazzing it up a bit with some red pepper flakes. Now, you know what to do. If you don't use red pepper flakes, use the black pepper or any other pepper of your choice. That's garlic powder. Like I always say, feel free to add, multiply, subtract, or divide. That's total seasoning. Charge your recipes up. Fix it up. I'm fixing up my own. I can tell you that. Oh, yes. Get that all mixed up now. This is our lunch. Okay, adjusting the temperature up a bit because it's starting to create too much juice. So I'm just turning it up a bit. Now it's time for the garlic. Now if you have fresh garlic, yes, feel free to use that as well. But I want to use this. This is already cut up. Sometimes I cut the garlic up and I can't get the odor off my hands. Garlic, and I love to use it so much. Garlic, oh my word. I wouldn't even talk about the onion. Oh man. Cry baby sour lime. They have me in tears every time. Oh my word. Just allow that to simmer down. Okay, it's time for the veggies. Everything. Look at that. I have 3 colors of bell pepper. Yellow, the red, and as well as the green. That's some carrots. And that's ginger. Oh yes. Celery, broccoli, and the onions. Whatever I found in my refrigerator, it's in here. Oh my word. Let's go. This is going to be lit. This is my take on sweet and sour steaks. I know what I'm doing. Watch it. Whatever you want in your recipe or in your pot, you make it. This is what I want in my pot. This is how I'm going to make my own. I'm not going out for this. We are having it today. Okay. Today is Thursday and it's going down. All right. Now to that I'm adding a couple chunks of this pineapple pineapple chunks right into it. Just some of the liquids as well. A bit of the liquid as well. Let's go. Get it open, right? Just like that. Dump some of it in. At least half of it, half of the tin should do it. Pineapple chunks. Okay. This is sweet and sour. You work it. Now the sauce. Yes. Just like that. Woohoo! I'm going to use about a half of this. Now, if you want to use the entire bottle, feel free. It's your pot. But a half would do for us today. Turn it up. Let's go. Look at the broccoli. Oh my word. Look at it. Nice and green. This is all natural. Yes, all natural. Anyone can eat this. Oh boy. And this is going over white rice. For God's sake, it's going down on here today. Woohoo! Sweet and sour. Just gonna add a little bit of paprika just to enhance the color a bit. About 1 tablespoon of paprika, just like that. Nothing else. No browning, no kitchen bouquet. Nothing else is going to be added. Nothing else. And this is almost finished. It's going down. Loaded with goodness. A pot of goodness is correct. Now with the sauce, if you want your sauce to be more thicker than this, you just add a spoon, about a teaspoon of cornstarch in some water, a little bit of water, a 1/4 cup of water. Mix it up and pour it on in, and you'll have yourself a thicker sauce. But this is great for us because this is going over the white rice, and you need something to jazz that rice up. So you can feel free to add cornstarch if you wish for your sauce to be thicker. Look at that. This is amazing here. Oh man, that's the white rice right there. Look at it. It's going down. Woohoo! Sweet and sour steaks all over white rice. I'm just jazzing it up a bit just to garnish it with some fresh parsley. So you know this is going to be beautiful. This is it. Look at that. 1 pot of goodness right here. You can start making your way over now because this is just about finished. If you're coming, come now, please. Oh my word, that's it. Right now I'm turning off the temperature, getting ready to plate it. Yeah, that's it. Make your own. You know what's in it. You know what's in it. This is the real thing here. I made it myself, and every time I do, my family enjoy it. Every time. We don't go out for this anymore. Nah. That's the white rice right there. That's going to be served all over that. All over it. Woohoo! White rice. Yes, that's it. Right there. That's a serving. Sweet and sour steaks. Thank you very much for watching this video all the way to the end. If you have enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. Share it out. Leave a comment. God bless you. God bless you. And I will see you in the next one.